All right, what's up, guys? Oh, let me not do that. Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trading day, live trading. What's up? What's up? All right, we're into the market, so let's quickly analyze. Let's go into the 4 hour and analyze what has been going on. So, all right, we had this huge for a 4 hour fair value get bearish, got rejected in here like at 12:11, right, and then rejected, right. Then we had this another 4 hour gap look like it's going into it. We could see this just bounce off of it and then just let me not change that. We could see it just bounce off of it and just go up higher. So I am expecting a bit longs, but my overall bias right now is a bit complicated because look, we have this another bearish 4 hour gap. So it went down target liquidity. Well, oh, that's the wrong stuff. I always got the wrong stuff. Okay, so this fair value gap right here went down target liquidity, made another fair value gap retrace, went to that for a fair value gap, and we could going to another downtrend. That's how it works. That's how it works. So fair value gap, target liquidity. So look, where there's liquidity right here, another fair value gap right here. Fair value gap hit. You want to target liquidity. So that's how it works. All right, that's how it could be working. But you can see that this fair value gap got inverse, right? We just went back into it. So this could just completely be ignored. So I'm gonna delete it actually right now. And you can see we made a 4 hour fair value gap. So I'm gonna keep this fair value gap and see if we do inverse it. We are probably gonna inverse it in 30 minutes at 10 a.m. So we're gonna see what happens. I really want to I really want to trade it after 10 a.m. So I think I'm gonna be patient. Tuesdays I do decent. So Mondays I do bad. Tuesdays I do decent. Wednesdays I do good. Thursdays I do good, and Fridays I do good to decent. All right. So that's how my shit. That's how I work over the week. So I want to be careful on thingy, but you can't go without risk. All right. You need to take risk. So let's go into the 1 hour real quick. You can see that there is this 1 hour fair value gap right here. Oh, I actually got inverse and completely heading down. All right. So I do this while this candle was being formed, and it was like right here making a wick. I guess it just went up, tapped Asia highs and rejected. So this for value, I'm gonna keep it right here. This 1 hour right there. Yeah. This 4 hour. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it right there. So yeah, you can see that it completely inverted this bearish, but it's heading right back down. We do have this lead to fair value gap right here, but yeah, you know, I'm more focused on this 4 hour fair value gap to be honest. You see the 1 hour kind of moving like an uptrend, I guess. It's an uptrend, so we'll see what happens. I really want to see if this breaks structure on this 1 hour. To be honest, let's form a little 1 hour. 1 hour break structure. Right there. Let's see if that really happens. So if we go into the now, let's go into the 15-minute chat. All right. So if a 1 hour, we're gonna see what happens. All right. We're just gonna see what happens. This is just heading completely straight down. So my initial bias was long, but you can't marry a bias, guys. You gotta be smart. So oh, that's okay. So boom, tap Asia lows right here. Let's put it right here. I tap Asia lows right here. So I was expecting it to do this downtrend. I was gonna enter right off right here, and then we go up higher, expecting for the longs. All right, that's what I was thinking, right? But you can see that it just smashed down from here from these Asia highs, so we could be getting this down, a little bit up, and then take shorts, and we could target these London lows. Yeah, these are London lows. No, sorry. Yeah, London lows, New York days lows. Market is open. Is this previous days lows? I'm pretty sure these are previous day lows too. Yeah, that's weird that the purple isn't there. I assigned purple as previous day lows. I think I forgot them yesterday. It's fine. These were previous day highs, correct? Yeah, this is right there. Yeah, so was it. Oh yeah, I already signed that. Okay, I already signed purple right here. So yeah, it's fine. So we go into the fifth 5 minute. I really want to keep this. So if you go into the 5 minute, you can see these lower resistance already been taken out. Just straight down. So we're really Just gotta see Asia lows. Oh, my hand's catching cramp. Okay. See that? This low, relatively equal low, so I can see why I went down here. So maybe just probably just like taking out the relatively equal lows. Probably just taking out the relatively equal lows. Let's see if we have a bearish S&T. So high, lower high, you can see on ES, high, lower high, that's fine. Actually, relatively equal high right here. Let's see the lows. Low, so we do have like a bullish S&T going on right now. So I do low-key want to take the long. So I think I'm gonna wait for a reversal, see if we get a downtrend, see if we hit these liquidity points. So if we get like a downtrend right here, boom, break a structure, boom, right there, off of this liquidity tap, that's fine. I'm also expecting it to go down here as well. So downtrend, right, break a structure, retrace, enter, boom, that's golden right there. So so today I guess we just got to be patient. Let's go back to the 15-minute real quick. So yeah, it could be doing this, but it didn't have this pop up. It didn't have this leg up right now immediately. Look how it just went down. You go into the 1 minute, yeah, see, it just went down. Go back to the 15-minute. So yeah, took out these relatively equal lows. We have news at 10 a.m. I really want to trade after 10 a.m. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it after 10 a.m. So to see this 1 hour breaker structure, if this 1 hour breaker structure happens. If so, then I think we have good confirmation, good signaling that we could be just going down. So my initial bias was long. Actually, it could still be long. It depends if it just hits this point right here. So I could actually, honestly, I could take a short hitting these lows. I just need a good retracement. Green to red. See, it didn't tap that. If this green candle tapped out, I probably would have entered here. Off of a good retracement because I think we're going to go lower, but we didn't have any retracement. So I'm just going to wait until this gets hit because I really want this to get hit so we can go up higher. But this already got hit, so looks like it's going. Looks like it just keep going down. And take out the relative equal lows. And we do have a bullish S&T again. Like I said, going to the 5 minute. You see low, lower low. Oh no, we don't. I'm stupid. This was the bullish S&T. Back to ES. See, yeah, that was the bullish S&T. We don't have a bullish S&T anymore. Yeah, looks like they're targeting previous days. London lows and New York lows. ES is almost there. Put an alarm for that. Alert me when it does hit it. I want Nasdaq to hit that too. So let's take off this real quick. Beep, pop. Spike it up right here. A lot of volume going on right here. So we go into the 1 hour. You see, yeah. So we gotta wait 1 hour, 25 minutes until 10 a.m. So I really do want this to get hit. I think if this doesn't get hit, I might not take no trade, but I really want this to get hit so we can go into uptrend. Catch some liquidity. But this already got hit too, so that's a liquidity right there. So it's just depending on this. We just like waiting on what happens, to be honest, really. So boom, big structure right there. Perfect right there. All right, really wanted this to get hit, so we're just gonna wait until this get hit. Okay, so we just got the alert from ES. Perfect, it got hit. Yes, ES has been moving a bit good. If I'm like, I feel like I don't know if I'm the only one that noticed. We do have a bearish SMT. Sorry, I'm just like, I like when things are perfect, guys. So actually, I can just do this, right? Actually, yeah, I can just do that. We have a bearish SMT, guys. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. So what do I want to happen? Boom, boom. Oh, sorry, that's too thingy. Breaker structure, retracement, enter off this high, and then we are golden. We are golden. I really do want this to get hit though. This is where a lot of liquidity is gonna happen. A lot of liquidity is gonna happen. Where I think I think it's just gonna bounce, honestly. So yeah, we'll just wait for this, guys. All right. Ooh, wow. Okay, so we just have this. Okay, big candle, breaker structure. That's good. And if we look into the 50, yeah, we can look into the 50-minute. Actually, let's go into the 5-minute. If you go into the 5-minute real quick, this low. This actually is better if we go to the 1 hour. This low to this low. So low, higher low, ES, low, lower low, and this is previous day lows. So we have a bearish SMT. That's whoa, that went up high, high, high. Yes, yes. I need you to make a good retracement. Yes, I say yes. Nazi. I need you to make a good retracement, bro. I need you to make a good retracement. Chill, calm down, calm down, calm down. All right, so we're definitely gonna go lower. Point of control is right here. A lot of freaking. You know what I mean? A lot of. How do I say it? A lot of volume went in. Right? Am I tripping? Yeah. A lot of volume went in. Let's make this a bit shorter. So yeah, I just need some. And low key, am I going with 5 minis? 5 minis, maybe. If I'm really confident in this trade, and I low key think I am low key. If this shit can give me a good retracement. Oh, don't tell me we're just gonna boom right up. Please, no. I need a retracement. No. Why does it do this? I can't just enter off of right here, because what if that retracement comes and it's freaking 50 points? It could be a 60-point drop retracement. Oh, please don't do this, Nazi. Please don't do this, Nazi. Give me a retracement. Oh my gosh, Nazi. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Give me a retracement. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I bet someone entered off of right here, off of this fair value gap getting thingy. Oh! This is just hateful. It is so hard. This past week, bro. This is actually putting pain to my head, chat. Oh my gosh. Gang, just give me a retracement, bro. Why are you doing this? I fucking doubt it's gonna go this low. If it does, it's just a miracle. If it does, it's honestly telling me that the Nasdaq loves me. The 6, yeah. Look at that. There's no fucking room. Wasn't it 52? This is like 48. Just put it 40, 50. I don't give a shit. Look at this. This could automatically drop down so much. Yeah, it's not giving me this retracement, is it? It's not gonna give me this retracement. Low-key, if it goes back to the point of control, that could be a good one. That could be good. Look, if it goes back to this point of control right here, bounce back up, we got enter right here. So I'm not super confident in this trade anymore because so much was just delivered. If it retraced off of just right here, like this candle, and then boom. Can I draw? Boom, right here. This would have been the 50% mark. Enter. Look at that. And if we go right here, look at that. We could have caught it. We could have caught it. And it's not even going to go to my 50% mark. I mean, obviously it's not going to go to my 50% mark. But it's not even going to go to a point of control. I'm not entering this trade. I'm dead not entering this trade, bro. I mean, it looks like a green day for my investments, at least. Chicken Spy. Definitely going to be a green day. Yeah, that's check QQQM. Yeah. You know, yeah, 100% a green day. Let me check ES. ES didn't even make a good pullback. Ooh, wow. I am in a mood to kill myself. Can I even say that? To off myself. To delete. Like light. Delete. Oh, if I had the death note, I'd write my name in it right now at this point, because what are we doing, bro? Benjamin Yahoo. Is that how you say his name? Oh my gosh. What are we doing? I mean, definitely not 1 hour break of structure now. Going to the 1 hour. Look at this. It just delivered off of this 4 hour gap. Oh my gosh. So we're aiming for, that is my, yeah, NQ. I don't even know how to alert on NQ on Weibo. I need to take that off. But what's it called? What was I saying? Oh yeah, so reject off of this bearish gap. I think we're gonna inverse it, to be honest. So for value gap right here, what are we targeting? Liquidity, we're probably gonna target these highs. These highs are definitely gonna get tapped into. And what's gonna happen? Go up, fair value gap, go retrace, target new liquidity, probably right here. I mean, if it can retrace, I think I really want to enter it in the highs, cause we still got these. Still got right here to target. Look at that. It's just not gonna do it though. It's just not gonna do it. Cause Nazi has been a little freaking sniveling snot-nosed child lately. So low key, we may have to be patient, target these highs, and wait for a reversal. And yeah, cause trust me, guys, that happens a lot. Where it's just where we get these bounce all the way up and then boom all the way down, and then all the way up and then boom all the way down, and then we just probably go up or probably go down. So freak it. Let's be patient, guys. This is trading. You have to be patient. All right, your setup's not always gonna happen. I love when my setup happens. I love when I'm right. I was leaning bullish throughout to the day. I was leaning bullish. So again, wow, this is like I haven't been wrong since. And then I say bearish because of if you go to the 15-minute, because of this. Oh no, I don't want to move that. Because of this, boom, boom, boom. That just didn't happen. But my initial bias was longs. I just couldn't freaking. Oh, I hate when this happens. Like, just boom up. Oh, I can't. My strategy doesn't work on that. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna stop yapping. Be patient. I'll let you guys know. Alright, so low key, guys. Low key. Hold on. So you can see right here, low break of structure. Right, it's not completely straight. Right there, boom. I like it straight. Break of structure right there. Green to red. Did tap into it. So really, you really want to be dangerous on these shorts, to be honest. And I don't know if I want to take these shorts. I don't know if I want to take these shorts. I'm really, 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 really want this to be hit. I really want this to be hit. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna just be patient. I'm not gonna. You guys, you gotta be patient pays. It's two P's in the PP. Remember PP. Patient pays. All right. Remember PP when trading. Patient pays. No, it doesn't. It's gonna fall down. I'm gonna miss it because I didn't want to enter. Kill me. All right. No. Guys, you gotta be a robot. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. It's been a terrible, terrible week. Look at this. Look at this week. 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 Telling me go down. Oh, spike up. So we're having a lot of buy volume. Or we're making this kind of pattern. Hold on, guys. I know the pattern. Look at the pattern we're making. Flaccid, erectile. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm in the trade for 3 minis. Break even point. Oh, that's beautiful. Buy 3 stops. Right here. Buy 3 limit. Alright, hit break even right here. I'm gonna put that on just so I can like re-look at my trades. This is beautiful, guys. Oh, this is nice. 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 I really don't want this to go back up. There's no reason for it. I mean, it kind of okay. We gotta wait for this candle, cause this fair value gap right here, right? Fair value gap. I really want this fair value gap to get inverse on this candle. So I'm gonna keep it like right here. Break even trade, right? But if it doesn't inverse this, I might put it lower because I really, really don't want to get another. I really don't want to get another break even day. So we did. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. Oh my gosh. Don't go up. Do not go up. I just raised this actually. I need it. Bro.
Stop filled.
What the fuck? Okay, typing my break even anyways right here, literally. By the way, if this shit goes down, what the fuck? I'm actually pissed. What the it's literally targeting me. It's literally targeting me. I'm not gonna enter a trade. I'm not gonna enter a trade. Oh my gosh, bro. What has been going on? Look at this. Look at this. My break-even point is right here. Look, hold on. I entered at 89.90 and 89.99. Yeah, 89.99 25. The highest 89.99 at 25. Literally my tab, my break-even. Go back. Oh my gosh. I swear this strap better go all the way up to my stop loss just to prove me right. If it taps my full TP, If it taps my full TP, I'm gonna be beyond pissed. I'm gonna be beyond pissed. My laptop's low. I'm gonna be beyond pissed. I'm gonna be beyond pissed. Watch this shit go all the way down. Chat, you cannot make this shit up. You cannot make this shit up. You cannot. This is, what is this? The fucking. Oh my gosh. I'm not even like. Okay, you know what? You know what? No. Oh my gosh. Look at NQ real quick. I was very hesitant on this trade. So I gave away 16 points. Yeah, I really should have given away. But I was very hesitant because it didn't tap my liquidity. It really didn't tap my liquidity. Hold up, we low-key have this order block right here. What's this breaker block? Oh, this is the order block. We have this order block right here that I'm getting into. You know what? I really wanted to have my break even again just to prove that it's gonna tap my break even eventually. So an ideal entry would have been right here. It's gonna go down, isn't it? It's gonna go down. Yeah. Oh, someone please. Ooh. Okay. You gotta keep confidence in yourself, chat. You gotta remember that I gotta remember that I gotta remember that oh my gosh. I gotta remember that Tuesday are decent days. I'm gonna freaking the stock the NASDAQ hates me. If I've been right 3 times and then 5, 6, 7 times. I've been right 6, 7 times and where I could have profited it, but it wants to hit me at break even every single time. I'm going into the day not emotional. Tomorrow's a new day. I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna get into this FOMOing. Tomorrow's a new day. Alright. Yeah, it's whatever, guys. You know, I'm not even gonna say break even. I won like $5. $5. I really want a revenge trade, bro. I still want a revenge trade, but guys, you gotta control yourself. That's it for today. I'm not gonna lie, that's it for today. Peace out, guys. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on the open again. Peace.